Hi guys, we are Team Sadoshi. Now we are introducing our programming language .ava, which is like Ethereum has already. So this is a language where you can code in a single language and convert it into multiple language. So now we are going to look at our programming language. So we have a Ava, which is have two modes. One is scripting language, one is scripting mode, another one is interpreter mode. So here you can see a variables example. Here you can see the file variables.ava. So now it first I will execute it. Now it's being executed. So here we need to declare a primary key which is used to deploy our contract, and it's have other options like show JSON and proof of work always true, so that we can see our proof of work. So here you can see the data was stored into the blockchain. Before that, we have take a look at JSON. In a JSON, the JSON will be track each and every process which is in a compile and runtime. For example, we can take x is equal to 10. So in this process, x will be allocated to in the memory. So the JSON have that track. X was allocated on the memory of x, and the 10 was mapped with x. This value, each and every value have tracked with that JSON. So that JSON have a batch of data. So this all of the data will be moved into the blockchain in like a like a on-chain. So if a transaction being and like if like for example, if a process being processed for 1 minute, the JSON have that 1 minute 1 minute tracking. Then in the end of the process, the JSON will be stored into the blockchain as on chain. So we will move to the another example. Um, Here we have a interpreter mode. So in an interpreter mode, like a Python's interpreter mode, so uh, you can code like show a plus one, or here show will act like a print. So we will got an error. And that's why we don't have declared the a anywhere. The error also will be stored into the blockchain. So we will move to the proof of work concept. Here, the function will be executed the proof of work. The one is the limitations how the proof of work will be gonna work, and 18 is the multiply of nuns. How many nuns will be multiplied with that proof of work's execution? So if you run that from here from that line, the proof of work will be generated for each and every line which is followed up that command. So here also you can see the proof of work function will be executed by compiled by the compiler, and in runtime the JSON will be stored into the Pinata. So now I will show the one example for Pinata's JSON. Here you can see the Pinata's JSON view. And the JSON have each and every process, the ID 8 and the line, which line have which data, like that. So we will move another example, code converter. Um, I already mentioned you need to just learn our programming language. So if you code any contract by using Java, you can convert it into the into any of the language like Solidity, Rust, Cairo, anything else you need. This is the pattern we have already have a contract Java program here, and I need to convert it into the Solidity, and I need to give a uh, Groks API key. It's being run, so it's already created. Now I will try it again. So this is the code will be used to the convert it to another language. It's being now you can see the solidity contract I've created by using the Ava code, and we have another function which is used to deploy our Ava contract into solidity. So by using this command, it's being run. So the process have stored into on-chain, and this is the solidity contract. In Explorer, you can see the contract ID. So we have a Explorer, like Ethereum have their own Explorer, Ether Explorer like that. So here the data is being transacted. So here you can see the transactions and contract address here. And then we have a own game which is done by our language. We have a special function which is can run a Python's code into our language. Um, we will take a look at that game code. So we have a PyExe function which is allow the Java language to run the Python's code. So by using that Python's code, we have created the game. So here you can see the IPFS value of the game processed. This JSON file have each and every movement and the process of the objects in the game, and actually it's got an error. That's why we see this file. So let's take a look at to our website. Um, Here we have a online code converter. Already we have feed a welcome message that buy coffees example. Um, when you click the convert button, the code will be converted into selected language. Now I have selected a Solidity code, so the Java language will be selected into Solidity. You can see it's being processing. So this is the Solidity code. By clicking the download, you can click that contract, or you can click the complete setup. By using this setup, you can deploy it by using add-on. This is the script which is used to deploy that contract. So you need to feed a API key to convert that Java language into another languages. Um, I think okay, that's it. Thank you for your fish. Okay, then we have a download. So by clicking these files, you can download our compiler. Um, Here we have tested. We have already tested number of clicking of downloads. So this is the analytics page, and that's it. Thank you for your patience and your timing. Thank you.